Hey guys! So we came across this really neat science experiment to show you with heat transfer, and it's going to give you more of a visual for convection. So
we know conduction is through touch, convection is through cycles, and radiation is through waves. Okay, so conduction is kind of hard to see, but we know that conduction goes from
warm to
cold.
sorry.
So this is going to show this. So if it's going from warm to cold, it should start.
Convection, you said
It
convection.
should. Oh, convection.
Convection. That's what threw me off. That's what I was thinking about.
Sorry. It should go from. It should mix. Okay, so we're going to show two. One where it's correct, so the warm air is on top and the warm is red, and one of them we're going to put the warm air on or warm water on bottom, and it'll mix because the warm's trying to get to the cold and the cold's trying to get down to the bottom, and it'll mix the red and the blue.
In that cycle.
So here we go. We'll do the correct one first. It should not mix. Okay, so
Okay.
warm's on top.
Yes. I'm going to be able to get closer.
This is going to be kind of messy. So who wants to try it first?
Go ahead.
How am I going to do this without?
That's why you do this
Oh,
one.
oh yeah, this way. Sorry, y'all.
We did not try this out ahead of time.
Ooh.
Sit it on top. Line it up. Slide it. And some will spill. It's okay. Okay.
So you can see that the warm water, the red, is staying on top, and the cold water, the blue, is staying on bottom. It's not changing because the warm air warm water stays on top and cold stays on bottom.
Because remember that heat rises and the cooler goes to the bottom.
Okay.
Hold on, I don't shake this table.
Here, there's a clean one.
Okay. Now this one's going on top.
Yes.
So now, if this works correctly, you want to put
No, cold goes on top.
I got you.
it's gonna switch because cool wants to be on the bottom and warm wants to be on the top.
So you can see
Kind of what's happening. It's starting to mix.
it's getting darker, slowly going this way, and darker, slowly going up.
So you can tell a definite difference in the reds.
We just thought this was a really cool visual to show how that cycle for convection works.
So you can try it at home if you want to.
Just be very careful and make sure you have your parents' permission.
You
Yeah.
can probably use water bottles. All you need is water, cold and hot, and red and blue food coloring.
And you can go outside and do this and not make such a big mess for Mom. Or make a big mess. We don't care.
We hope to see you soon. We love you and miss you.
Miss you.
Bye.